In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to create an experience. So the first thing you need to do is just go and click on this button that says Create. It's going to bring you up to a screen that says Create an Experience. So we're going to just write our title in here, Writing an Experience. We're going to choose a picture. Pictures are important to Convene because we like to have, the site looking good. So I use pexels.com and then I edit them in canva.com to make them look like a meme. So here I have the writing experience meme that I made. I'm going to select a category and we're going to put education here because this is an education video. Visibility for this, I'm going to add it to private. So it'll go into a private group into the How to Use Convene experience. You have the choice of whether or not to write your experience as yourself or as an anonymous person. Now, why would that be important? At Convene, we like the anonymity piece where we allow people to write experiences as themselves or anonymously. If you have something that you want to put out there and use it, put it out there in an anonymous way, just click on Yes for Anonymous. So Convene allows you to give tests, multiple choice tests. So for this example, I'm going to click yes, and I'll show you how to make those later. We can also add surveys. So I'm going to click yes, so I'll show you how to make the surveys later. And then we can add a certificate to our experience. Now, if you're writing a syllabus or you're writing experience to add to a syllabus, you may not want to add the certificate in the early experiences. You might want to wait to the last experience or make a last experience where you can click yes and add that certificate when they complete the experiences that they're doing within the syllabus. But any experience can have a certificate with it upon completion. You have the ability to add a due date, and adding the due date will allow you to either add that date where we can stop the experience at that time, or the ability to take tests, or you have the ability to continue on with that due date and that test. I'm not going to add one at this point. I'm going to add just the short description, and to do that I'm going to use the this description that I already have written here, and I'll copy it. Okay, got it copied there, and I'll just go back within here and I'm just going to paste that into the short description. Now the short description allows people to see within that experience exactly what the experience is about if they're choosing to, if it's not assigned and they're choosing just to go and see what experiences are out there within Convene. So I'll submit that. The next page, it's going to come up to the draft page, and here I'll select the image and I'll go ahead and crop it above 300 by 300 pixels.